and welcome back to my channel. Again, I'm in the same shirt because I'm recording on the same day, so don't say anything. Nika, you just had that shirt on Wednesday. I sure did because I was recording the same day. So anyway, for our next video, we are going to be doing a haul. It's kind of an awkward haul, and I say awkward haul because it was certain things that I needed to get for certain aspects of what I'm doing, so it's kind of random. It's not really thought out, and some pieces that I got in the haul are actually pieces I picked up for the kids for Christmas, mostly autumn, because well, every time I go to TjMaxx I always find something for autumn. So I just want to let you know, Miss Autumn, if you are watching, turn away now, because these items that I have in this haul are for Christmas and I don't want you to be the surprise to be spoiled for you, princess, so please turn away right now. So for those of you who are not my 9-year-old daughter, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up in the end if you like it, and let's get into the video. Okay, so the first place I went was Target because, like I said in Wednesday's video, that I have a new great niece that was born, and my sister placed an order with me for a holiday outfit that I have posted and some custom t-shirts. But the problem is the same problem I had when I had Autumn, because Autumn was only 4 pounds 11 ounces. My new niece is only 3 pounds. She was born 9 weeks early, so she's very tiny, so it's very hard to choose certain items. And I was looking through my t-shirts for the custom items that I make. I'm getting to a point here, guys. I actually don't have any preemie onesies. I only have newborn on up to 24 months. So like I said, the same problem I had with Autumn, I could not find any preemie shirts for her, and I thought Target would have them because I went to Meijer, I went to Walmart, and unfortunately when I went they didn't have any, so I'm just gonna have to order them on Amazon. But I did get, because she did order a newborn outfit as well, so I found some organic cotton onesies from Gerber at Target, and I thought this was great. I was just gonna buy the regular ones, but when I saw the organic, because she is so tiny and everything with her is so pure, I'm going to be washing these also in like pure detergent for her, because I know how sensitive those tiny babies can be. So I got these. So if you guys didn't know about Gerber organic cotton onesies, they have them at Target. I bought milk, which is already in the fridge. I don't think you need to know that. And I bought LOL. I'm trying every time I go to the store and I have extra money that I'm spending. I try to pick up these LOLs because last year there were no LOL dolls available around Christmas. So I've been picking these up since September when I can. So she is going to have a ton of these little things. But yeah, these are the little sis, and I was gonna get the regular ones because I already bought her glam glitter ones, but I wanted the regular ones, and I have not seen them anywhere. But guess where I found them? Joann Fabrics has the regular ones. So I have glam glitter, I have the like capsule looking one, I have these, I have pets, and I want to get her not the $29 case, but the $89 one, but those are selling out fast, so I'm gonna have to hurry up. Baby powder, because you know sometimes I like baby powder on my body, you know, just to smell nice and be fresh. Anyway, and panty liners, like you guys care about that, but I don't know if you're a woman like me, but I need panty liners because sometimes it's a little extra moist down there. Anyway, so this is a 4T top that I needed to purchase for the order because I had the size 8 she needed, I had the size 10, 12 she needed, and I forgot to get size 3T. But this is for another customer because I didn't have any 4Ts left. So I bought that by Cat and Jack, and these are only $5. Everything's falling. And I did notice it from Target. Like I said, I had the milk upstairs. So, the next stop I made was to TjMaxx to see if they had any preemie outfit, I mean onesies, but they didn't. All they have was newborn as well. They had nothing preemie when I went, which sucks. But I found my cute little baby boots. Oh my god, for autumn. She is going to love them. Because right now she has 2 pairs. Well, these are not for Christmas. Actually, these are for now. And they were only $12.99. What? So those are actually not for Christmas, but I bought her those because she has a black suede pair that she got from Kit Pick. So if you guys have not seen that video, go check out her Kit Pick video on this channel. She got those, and then I bought her some brown boots, but both of those have heels. These are more flat and more comfortable. She can just slip into them and they'll go with all her jeans and leggings and skirts and stuff that she's wearing. And sorry, I dropped a piece. I found more LOL stuff. So I got this, guys. Really? This was $3.99. This whole little set thing was $3.99 at TjMaxx. And I'm all about saving money. You guys can talk crap about me all you want to, but when it comes to name brand with 7 kids, I go to TjMaxx and Marshalls and wherever else I can go. I made a mistake when my oldest son was born, and it was just him for 3.5 years. I would spend so much money on when I bought name brand clothes for him, and then I realized that they don't care what brand the clothes are, they just care about clothes. And then I got smart and started buying only name brand clothes when I wanted them to look nice when we were going somewhere. But she's in 4th grade now, guys. You know how awful girls are in 4th grade. So anyway, she's been really into falsies lately, and I've been letting her get these, and they're just stick-ons, so it's not, you know, that bad, and they're not super long, so I'm okay with her wearing, you know, just playing around in the house and wearing her falsies. So these were also $3.99, and this is another Christmas item. These were in the sale section, 2 pair for $6. And these are by Pink Republic. But I think these are really cute. So she's totally been into leggings. So we did this back to school haul, right? Bought all those jeans because last year she was totally into jeans and she hated leggings. So guess what, guys? Her jeans that I bought still have tags on them because she's totally into leggings and dresses this year. That's what I'm saying. Like, when I did that haul and I was telling you guys how picky she is and her style changes every second, it changes every freaking second. And the only jeans that she would wear are her Kit Pick jeans that she got last year in her Kit Pick box, and they are like denim. They're kind of this color denim. So those are kind of the only ones she wears, in her ones I got from Children's Place like that are like this color denim. But other than that, she's wearing leggings and dresses and skirts now. And I didn't buy that many dresses and skirts because during the summer she wore none of the dresses and skirts I bought her. Anyway, so I'm not sure if I want to give these to her now or wait till Christmas, because when Christmas comes I always buy more leggings, because at Meijer, for those of you who live somewhere who has a Meijer store, they sell leggings around Christmas time, buy one get 2 free, and I normally buy me and her leggings during that time because they're so cheap. You buy one, you get 2 free. So yeah, then I bought Cam some jeans, but these are kind of really skinny and I don't think he's going to wear them. And these are for now because Cam is getting really tall. So I bought these for him. And he's a dark jean guy, but they kind of look, I don't know, do they look like girl jeans, guys? Let me know. They're by Swiss Cross. And they were in the boys section, but for some reason, like, the back part of these look like girl jeans to me. I don't know. I don't know if he'll wear them. If not, him and Autumn are the same size. Give them to her. And the last thing I got from TJ's was this LOL Surprise Diary with Pin. And this was only $2.99. So if you have a little girl in your life who is obsessed with LOL, TjMaxx has a ton of them, and they have tons right now of the JoJo hair bows. If your daughter's into those too, they have a ton of them at TjMaxx right now. So get them before Christmas comes and you're SOL, you know. So that was TJ's. And then I went to Joann's because I needed some more tulle, and I was looking to see if maybe they had preemie onesies, but they didn't either. And I needed some more. I hate buying glitter, gold glitter, heat transfer vinyl retail, because I have a couple of wholesale places that I get them from, and on Amazon they're cheaper. This was $12.99, so it's not so bad, but for $12.99 I normally get more than this, but I needed it for the outfits that I have to make, so I got this. I also got some red tulle because I have a Christmas outfit in mind that I want to make. And then I just got some brown tulle because they didn't have the t-shirt there or the onesie, the preemie onesies that I need. I know Carter's has them, but the only Carter's we have is at the mall. So I'm thinking I may check Meijer again because they sell Carter's products at Meijer. So I may check one more time to see if they have preemie. If not, I'm just going to order off Amazon because Amazon is my spot. So then I went to the Dollar Tree because I just needed a few things, and I got, Autumn needed some more hair elastics because her brother, my 17-year-old, his hair is dreaded, and it's gotten so long, and he started over the summer using her hair ties, so she's like down to like 4 or 5 hair ties, batteries. And these little tea lights I bought for a project that we're going to be doing next week. So look for that. And then the last stop I made was to the beauty supply store because I wanted to see if they had some leg warmers, but they didn't. But I did find cute little ruffle socks, and I'm going to con Autumn into wearing them because she stopped wearing ruffle socks in 1st or 2nd grade. She won't wear them anymore for me. And then I bought some tights at the beauty supply. These are like a thicker style tight, and they were only $2.99. So yeah, that is my haul for today, guys. I hope you like this video. Give it a big old thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and go follow me on Instagram because that's where I post majority of everything now. I have kind of done away with Facebook and Twitter, but I kind of leave it the way it is because a lot of my family is on Facebook, so I still keep it, but Instagram is my jam right now. So check out my Instagram, my Insta stories. I always try to keep that updated as often as I can. Look for those links below, guys, for my website, my Etsy shop, which I'm not sure if I'm going to be keeping open, but definitely look for my Facebook marketplace posts as well as my website post, because I will be updating a lot more often on my website so you guys can order the cute little things that I make on there. And I will see you next time.